5 tips how to develop the formula for happiness. While there's no one-size-fits-all formula for happiness, here are some practical tips to help you create a personalized approach. Understand your happiness triggers. Reflect on what truly makes you happy. Think about activities, relationships, experiences, or achievements that bring you joy. Identify your core values. Aligning your actions with your values can enhance your overall sense of fulfillment. Practice mindfulness. Pay attention to your thoughts and emotions, and notice what situations and activities bring you positive feelings. Cultivate positive relationships. Prioritize meaningful connections. Spend time with people who uplift and support you. Practice active listening. Give your full attention to others and show genuine interest in their lives. Express gratitude. Regularly acknowledge the positive aspects of your relationships and express appreciation. Embrace a growth mindset. Challenge yourself. Step outside your comfort zone and pursue new experiences and goals. Learn from setbacks. View failures as opportunities for growth and improvement. Celebrate your achievements. Acknowledge your successes, no matter how small. Practice self-care. Prioritize physical health. Get enough sleep. Eat nutritious food and engage in regular exercise. Manage stress. Incorporate relaxation techniques like meditation, yoga, or deep breathing. Set boundaries. Learn to say no and protect your time and energy. Give back to others. Volunteer your time. Helping others can bring a sense of purpose and fulfillment. Practice random acts of kindness. Small acts of generosity can brighten someone's day and boost your own mood. Donate to causes you care about. Supporting organizations that align with your values can make a positive impact. Remember, happiness is a journey, not a destination. By incorporating these tips into your daily life, you can create a more fulfilling and joyful existence.